Welcome. In this Line Budgeter tutorial, we are reviewing line item details. For years, legacy applications have given a very limited and standard set of fields for you to enter your information into. Line Budgeter set out to create a more dynamic and robust system, bringing the details back to line item details. Let's take a look at what that means and how you can finally harness your own data in your estimate projections. Line Budgeter was built thinking beyond the initial budget process. A modern budgeting system used on projects around the world for all types and sizes of projects needs to consider the downstream requirements of accounting, payroll, auditing, and eventual turnover. Our first step was to allow line items to be designated into a group or single cohesive subaccount. This allows higher accuracy in a number of ways, most importantly, reporting analytics and drawdown cost reporting. Further, the subaccount system allows for advanced calculations when considering floors and ceilings on incentives and other aspects. Line types can be assigned to each line item, allowing you to start to categorize each line of spend into different aspects such as labor, purchases, and rentals. Assigning a location allows the line item to be segmented to spend in a specific place. Phases are periods of time during your project. By default, a budget framework builds prep, shoot, and wrap. However, you can add any type of phase you may use on your project from development to distribution and anything in between, such as scouting or editorial. Day types define the days found in a phase. Beyond regular working days, a day could be defined as idle, a holiday, a travel day, or a 6th day. Defining the type of day in a phase at a location allows you to effectively break down your spend into different buckets. With these designators, Line Budgeter can provide hot analytics for your estimates without the arduous task of marking individual lines with groups which do not understand how to consider each other. This creates an environment for more efficient projections. Assigning the start and end dates to a single line item, you're able to specify when that money is being spent. This is not only helpful for hot analytics, but also, for the first time ever, you can generate a dynamic cash flow on the fly. No longer spend hours doing and redoing a cash flow. If you need to generate cash flows for different currencies or only a specific phase, Line Budgeter makes that headache a thing of the past. Did your budget just change by $500,000 across a dozen departments? No problem. Simply rerun your report in seconds. The traditional methodology of episodic, pattern, and amort budgeting is available in Line Budgeter. A single budget file to handle and track your costs in amort across a pattern of all your episodes is certainly a feat. However, Line Budgeter goes further by allowing you to assign the spend of individual line items to one or more specific episodes. This allows your cost reporting to be actualized against true estimates of a series, episode by episode. Tax and Fringe no longer lives in the last account of your budget. It belongs on each line item, allowing you to see and understand how the monies are being spent with more detail and accuracy than ever before. When exporting to a payroll system, tax and fringes are pulled into the account you designate, effectively rendering them complete inside of the traditional 99 account, for example. Line Budgeter projects the details of your spend also with the details of your rebates. Know even more about how your monies are being attributed to applicable rebate programs and get a clear picture of the net costs of a subaccount. And yes, Line Budgeter is monitoring the floors and ceilings while giving you this information. Last but not least, all line items in a subaccount can be grouped inside of a smart group, which consists of an upper information area and the line items in that subaccount. This allows a standardized format for keeping track of information for a crew or cast member or a vendor. Smart groups also have deterministic logic built in. In essence, line item details understand the information on their own line and how that information is manipulated by and within its own subgroup. Smart groups are a powerful addition to Line Budgeter system. Please watch the tutorial on data references for more about this exciting feature. Thank you for watching. Learn more by watching other videos on our channel covering a variety of topics. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly. Links to our Reddit and support are in the notes section. Thank you, and have fun budgeting your projects.